Hey, what's up guys? In this video today we compare three best smartwatches, which is Amazfit GTR Pro Limited Edition versus Amazfit GTR Pro versus Amazfit GTR Pro Mini. So let's see the full video. Display comparison. Display type has resolution. Display size. PPI density. Has shape. Has body material. Always on display. Has buttons. Has protection. Design comparison. Has body weight. Has body height. Has body width. Has body thickness. Has colors. Strap width. Has strap material. Compatibility comparison. Compatible with. Platform comparison. Has operating system. Connectivity comparison. Has Wi-Fi. Has Bluetooth. Has eSIM. Waterproof. Has positioning system. Has microphone. Has GPS. Battery comparison. Has battery capacity. Has battery life. Has battery charging. Has charging duration. Features comparison. Has sports modes. Has 24-hour monitoring. Has motor. Has buckle. Loudspeaker. Hardware comparison. Has RAM. Has memory. Sensor comparison. Accelerometer. Biometric sensor. Ambient light sensor. Geomagnetic sensor. Heart rate. Launch comparison. Has launch date. And last result. Price comparison. Has price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and make sure to subscribe for Gadgets Compare.